Good morning. This month we're introducing channel memberships for viewers who want to support our channel financially here on YouTube. It is completely voluntary, and for the viewers who do so, you're not getting anything extra. We're not going to paywall material just for you like other channels do and like YouTube recommended that we do. Our research is widely shared and used. We do stories that nobody else is doing and that there is no market for. That's to say that for many of the reports we do, we lose money. We usually have a good idea in advance of the videos that will probably be profitable, well worth our time, and the ones that probably will not be. The way we do videos is very different from other channels also, and we made those decisions from the beginning. We don't have a studio. I like filming outside, and that helps show where I live and work and where I happen to be that day. We tried the studio format and I didn't like it. But that means there's more work. You have to set up outside. The weather and ambient noise is sometimes a problem. Obviously we're limited by daylight. And every time some kid wanders in the back of the frame, we have to shoot the scene again. Holding charts and graphs in my hand, like I'm doing right now with the talking points and the quotes I need to read from verbatim. That makes me tired sometimes, I don't mind saying. Then we share all the links in the video descriptions and the first tagged comments, and that adds work too. On the closing shots, these are very popular, and we want to show as much as China as possible, so we shoot drone footage ourselves, or they're shared with us, with viewers from across China. And we use subscription services. This all costs money. We agreed to do our videos this way from the very beginning, using these formats, even though it takes more time and even though it's more expensive. Regrettably, story selection is a problem. Stories about gold investing or AI, those pay a lot more. Stories about Africa, they pay a lot less. But the stories about Africa are more important. This piece I was very proud of. It explains the problems that the US and Europe face when our policymakers talk about deepening ties with the global majority countries. These countries are rich in resources that we need to power the rest of this century. But these countries know that our commitments to invest and to build, they never go anywhere. The Chinese can approve the project and release the funds and have engineers laying rail and miners digging holes on the other end within just a few weeks. That's how long it takes us to even plan feasibility studies. That story was one of the most important ones we've ever done because nobody else did it. We were one of the first channels to warn about the rare earths problem. Now everybody knows about it, but the YouTube algorithm doesn't reward the channel for being first. Channels who talk about the problem today get lots of views that generate lots of revenue, but by then it was too late for investors. Our time is limited. We only have time really for 12 to 18 long-form videos per month. And the problem is that I know already if the video will lose money and not be worth our time. Here's an example of one we have in progress that will drop in a few days. Chinese researchers are working on a solar plant that generates power 24 hours a day. Obviously, the sun doesn't shine 24 hours a day, so this is a revolution in battery storage technology. And if it works, it will transform desert landscapes almost anywhere into power plants. Obviously, that has big implications for geopolitics and for investors in fossil fuels. It's a vitally important story. It will take a few hours to understand the technology and then decide how to best communicate it on video in under 10 minutes. And my group already knows that it won't make any money. It's an important story, but it won't pay for itself or for our time. We're doing it because it's an important story, and investors should be watching this whole theme very carefully along with us. We knew this one would lose money. YouTube knows there are millions of viewers for information about how the Chinese aren't buying treasury bonds or high-tech stories. And that's why there are videos about those subjects across all of YouTube. But there is no ready audience for that report about that problem, that natural rubber comes from the same exact forests that elephants live in. And China can either have a strong ecotourism industry or a strong domestic rubber industry. It's a perfect opportunity cost problem, an either or. Then along came some guys who figured out how to grow rubber plants in the desert. We have that same problem on Inside China Business. We love these stories. Elephants and rubber in Sichuan, how the Belt and Road projects have quietly but decisively shifted all the supply chains in the world. Chocolate markets in West Africa, railroad building in Central Africa. These are some of the most important stories in the world, and nobody is paying attention to them, and nobody is rewarded by the YouTube algorithm for doing them. Our channel is 90% male and 75% over the age of 45. Senior business leaders, executives, and business owners, or otherwise professional in medicine, engineering, education, or government, or retired. For advertisers and brands, this is the most valuable audience in the whole world. And if I agreed to read aloud a 45-second advertisement, we would make $3,000 for just one ad, one time, in the middle of one single video. But that's another decision from the very beginning that we knew would be expensive. Early on, we knew what we had. This community of people across the world who faithfully tune in to watch, and we know that you hate these ads as much as we do. So we're doing this instead. Whatever you can do through these channel memberships, we appreciate deeply. And we'll continue doing these stories for the special viewers who do appreciate them and who need to learn of them before they become mainstream. We're also grateful beyond words for those of you who take the time to watch and to comment and to share your own experiences, even though you prefer to spend or give elsewhere. We understand. Either way, thank you. This is Yunnan. Be good. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts, as we forgive our debtors. Lead us not into temptation,